Our recent Young Verano at Tesoro Viejo VIP open house event was a huge success. We had a great time seeing so many people come tour our beautiful move-in ready homes and enjoy the festivities. Thank you to Resort Life Carts for providing the transportation to and from each home for our event. If you weren't able to attend the event, don't worry. You can still experience the beauty of these move-in ready homes by watching this video tour. The Young Verano at Tesoro Viejo has so much to offer. Whether you're looking for an active lifestyle or a peaceful retreat, this community has something for everyone. On our first stop, we'll visit 642 Stonecrest Avenue. This spacious single-story home features 3 bedrooms, a gourmet kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and an extra-large kitchen island opening to the dining and great rooms, as well as a comfortable owner's suite with a large walk-in closet, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. If you're ready to take the next step and see these homes in person, DeYoung Properties' new home specialists are available to show you around and answer any questions you may have. Next up is 4450 Oak Knoll Road. This 2-story home features 3 bedrooms, a gourmet kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and a large kitchen island opening to the dining and great rooms, as well as a comfortable owner suite with a large walk-in closet, 2.5 bathrooms, and a convenient family entry and a 2-car garage. Don't miss out on the opportunity to find your dream home in this beautiful Verano at Tesoro Viejo community. Schedule your appointment and experience all that DeYoung has to offer. Call 559-656-1980 to learn more today.